With activities of the festive season at its peak, last-minute travels to spend time with family, the FCT Directorate of Road Transport Services (DRTS) has called on motorists to avoid speeding and overloading to avert road accidents during the Yuletide. The FCT DRTS Director, Mr. Wadata Bodinga, made the call during an interview with News Agency of Nigeria in Abuja. Bodinga said the condition of a vehicle, the state of road being plied, and human factors all contribute significantly to the rate of road accidents in the country.
First and foremost is the physical and mental condition of the person who is going to drive himself, because you need to be in good health condition, especially if you are going to undertake a journey. You need to plan your journey. Considering the fact that this is festive period, you don't need to be rushing, because you know that, of course, traffic has increased. Therefore, a journey of, let's say, 5 hours, you should estimate it to be around 7 hours or so. So if you plan your journey like that, you know very well that you will not be in a haste to arrive, because you have planned earlier, and therefore you will be able to manage and take care of all the safety precautions that you are supposed to adhere to when you are on the way. You really need to make sure that your vehicle is in good condition. You service it, you check your tires, check your brake, check your lighting system, electrical, and make sure that everything is in good condition before you embark on a journey. And it is equally advisable that people should avoid night journey.
Bodinga said the FCT administration policy guidelines on transport services set out during the first wave of the COVID-19 pandemic still remain in force as the country navigates through the second wave of the deadly disease. He called on vehicle inspection officers and other designated agencies to enforce the guidelines. He said the agency had put measures in place to ensure that defaulting drivers were arrested and the law was maintained. According to Bodinga, the FCT administration is redoubling its efforts to ensure that FCT roads, highways, and vehicles leaving the territory are in good condition in order to reduce crashes on the road.
A taxi, for example, should carry only 4 people, including the driver. One person at the front together with the driver, and only 2 persons sitting at the edge of the door at the back. And every bus that is either inter or intra-city travel must equally adhere to 1 seat, 2 people only. And if it is a higher capacity vehicle or truck, then we know that that one is supposed to operate 50% capacity. So meaning here you have passenger, the other seat no passenger. Here you have passenger, this other seat no. So 50% capacity of the higher capacity buses. And we are implementing that, but we are still appealing to the commuters, because sometimes the commuters too have to do their own part. The commuters has their right of not entering overloaded vehicles. If they actually do their part, you will realize that the law enforcement agencies has very little to do. But in a situation whereby the commuters, apart from paying much, they equally agree that they should be overloaded. Not only that, some of them even assist the drivers to evade arrest. They are actually calling on the commuters themselves. This is because drivers take advantage of them. So the commuters need to exercise their right. At any point in time they are entering vehicles, they should do their own, they should impose their own personal liberty and right.